a nice tourist bus. They will take you on a tour around Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City for about 45 minutes, and the price is 169,000 dong. It's best to see at the upper deck. A big hello from Saigon, Vietnam. Today I'm at the Pham Ngu Lao area. I'm gonna do a short walking tour to show you guys what's up with this street. And let's start. The time is 9 p.m. on a weekday night. So their Family Mart convenience store, lots of hotels, Saigon City Hotel, Pham Ngu Luxury, A25 Hotel. There's even a temple there, the Unlock, Indian food, restaurants, 2-star hotel, the King Koi 7-Eleven, motorbike for rent. You guys need to be careful because I heard of stories that when you return a motorbike, they need to pay much more because the staff actually they find the mistakes, they find the faults in the motorbike, which is already been done before they rent out to the customers, and customers don't really know of these things, so you'll be like feeling like being cheated. There's your Liberty Hotel, it's a 3-star hotel, and Highlands Coffee is a local Vietnamese brand. Another of my favorite will be the foot long besides the Highlands Coffee. But in this Pham Ngu Lao Street, there isn't any foot long coffee restaurants, the cafe. And right here, the visitor support and information center, you can see I love ACMC. And then there are some people playing the game. You can see the shuttlecock game. Objective is okay, as long as possible in the air we are dropping. You can use your hand as well. And after crossing the zebra crossing, you can walk to the Vivian Walking Street. The first restaurant, Ong Kat. I tried it last night, it's a bit salty. Then next we have the Pham Ngu travel agency. From here you can go to any part of Vietnam by bus. They have the day bus and the sleeper bus, so it's safer to take the day bus because at night the driver can be drunk and overspeed, and that leads to accidents. There are lots of bicycles for rental, but you need to download the app and then link to your bank account before you can pay and ride the bicycle. This is a 23/9 park. Locals come here to exercise, walk and stroll, as well as just chit chat and relax, eat some snack or have some drink. Next we have the Saigon Hotel, which is like a 3-star hotel once again. There are a lot of hotels and lots of massage spas and restaurants here and travel agencies. Now we have the Burger King for those of you who like burgers, or you're just simply bored of eating Vietnamese food, you can come here. Now there are so much competition among the travel agency that it's best for you guys to come here personally to check out the prices. Let's say you're going to the Nha Trang, you can just check out the price. The price can be different by as little as 100,000 dong to 500,000 dong, or even 1 million Vietnamese dong. Actually depends on the staff. If they see you think that you are rich, then you can be ready to chop you anytime. But then they will not chop you too much because they know that the customer can write negative review on Google. Next we have the Liberty Hotel, which I think is a 4-star hotel. And there's a Wing Coffee there. It's a nice if you love coffee. Free exercise machines. The local doing some pull-up. If you need to withdraw money, come to during the daytime because the machine can run out of the Vietnamese dong. And beware of scams. Not the scams will be the taxi. They try to tell you, get on to the taxi, where are you going? But then the price they charge is one fixed price of a high price. Let's say you are going to, from here District 1, you want to go to somewhere at the airport or Tanzania International Airport, they'll charge you like 1 million dong. That's unreasonable because the market price is like from 150,000 dong to 200,000 dong. On the Grab app, sometimes it can be cheaper. And right here we have the bus travel company which go from Saigon to Phnom Penh, the capital of Cambodia. Have you guys been to Cambodia? I've been there a few times. including the capital Phnom Penh and other parts. It's like a backdated version of Saigon. Things are not developed, and sometimes when you walk, there are potholes on the street. So, and then the food, it's not to my liking though, because I cannot read the Cambodian words. I can just look at the pictures of the menu on the restaurant and just point. Sometimes I'm correct, sometimes I'm wrong. I wanted chicken, but they give me like a pork or something like that, but it's okay. We have the McDonald's here, and the real spa, another hotel called Palaco. The price of the hotel here range from like 400,000 dong to 600 to 700,000 dong. One night for a double room for 2 persons, private room, include a shower, but doesn't include the breakfast. If you want breakfast, then you top up about 50,000 dong to 80,000 dong for one night. Lots of travel agency. Vina Travel, frankly speaking, I only use a few travel agencies. There are lots of them here, not much competition, so take your time to choose because you are the king, you are the customers, unless you want something fast. And by the way, you can also book and buy flight ticket right here from one of the travel agent companies, because sometimes when you do the flight booking on the internet or through the app, it gets error, and then your card is rejected for whatever reason. It's best to come personally to buy the ticket, but then they'll charge a higher fee, surcharge of between like 500,000 dong to 1 million Vietnam dong. But then if you really need it and you are in a rush, then why not, right? It saves you convenience time and reduce your stress of not getting the flight you want. Subscribe and enjoy the video so far, and give a like so that more people can find it. Thanks very much. You guys see the blinking lights over there? There's a famous pho restaurant. It's called Pho Win. Normally in Vietnam, the name after the dish is the name of the owner. So in this case, it's like Win is the owner of the pho restaurant, and he's been here for many years. And by the way, there's a street food called banh mi, which is a Vietnamese bread, and then they top it up with BBQ pork or chicken or beef, and then mix with the vegetables and the chili sauce to give you a good meal. It's really like nice, yummy. And there's a pharmacy, 24-hour pharmacy